In this video, you're gonna learn how to install Ubuntu on Windows 10. Now just open up your browser, search for download Ubuntu. Let it search. You want to click on the top result, the official website. Download Ubuntu desktop. Click download. And it will pop up. Save file. Click OK. Now I already downloaded this file. The file is 3 gigabytes. The file is very large. So what I will just do is just show you that it will download right here. And then you can just click the little, when it's finished, just click that, open it right there. But I'm gonna cancel it, close my browser. I have it on my desktop already in a Ubuntu folder, right? Here it is, right here. You can copy it from the download folder to your desktop like what I do, rename it to Ubuntu. That's it. Now run VirtualBox. Keep in mind that you're gonna need VirtualBox for this. All right, so VirtualBox, boot it up. Type Linux, and then you want to choose Ubuntu 64-bit because this version is 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, right at the end right here, it's not gonna say 64. But mine says 64, so it's 64-bit. Name, I'm gonna name it just Ubuntu, simply Ubuntu. Click next. Now you just wanna leave this as it is. The recommended RAM is gonna use to run this Ubuntu. Everything is good, just leave it as default. Click next and click next again. You wanna just click next again. This is the size, just click next again. Okay, the machine is now installed. Now you want to just click now just my folder right here. You see, you want to mount the image, the Ubuntu image that you downloaded. So mount it. It's gonna mount in a drive. Then you click right here, click start. Now select the drive letter that Ubuntu is inserted in, mounted in. Just click the drive that's Ubuntu has been mounted in and click OK. Then it will start up. I don't want to, let's click cancel. I don't want to do any capture right now. So it's starting the process. It's loading the files. Let it load. Just wait. Be patient. It's gonna take a while. So it's just loading. Okay, so try Ubuntu. No, we don't want that. What we want is install Ubuntu. This is what we want install. So click on install. Keyboard layout, English, updates and other software as it is. Leave it as it is default. Click next. Installation type, just basically saying it's gonna erase this. It already create a disk for this machine, so just click install now. It's going to give you another warning. Just click Now let's continue. Click next. Where are you? Your time, where you are, just choose. Click next again. Whether it's India, United Kingdom, United States, select it, search for it, and click next. Fill out your name, create your password, and just click let's continue. And basically this is it. This is how you install Ubuntu on Windows 10. This is gonna be the whole process. Let it run. It's gonna say it's installed. Click restart now. It's restarted. Wait on it to reboot, and here we are. You got Ubuntu on your Windows 10. You can add your Google account, your Microsoft, connect your online account. I'm just gonna click skip up here and show you that. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tutorial.